Ciao Tesla people. So today I'm installing a bunch of accessories on my new Tesla Model Y Performance, and I'm going to do a bunch of videos, and I'm going to leave all the information about the accessory that I'm installing. I already installed some. Since where I'm parked, I don't have too much space to walk around, so I will do another video showcasing the ones that I already installed, like the mats on the bottom, on the trunk, front trunk, that kind of stuff. But since I'm inside the car, I can show the accessories that I'm going to install on this central console. So from the charging of phone charging inside here, cup holder, and underneath here, and if I have time I'm going to install to the screen protector. So let's start with the first one that I didn't see many people installing it. So here where you put your phone is a bit it's not slippery, but it has weights and stuff. But I noticed when I was driving home that the phone would move a bit. So, and I saw some videos of other people having the same problem. My phone is it's not that large, so it fits pretty good. You see, it has some movement, but not much. But if you have a very large phone, here there is some edges that keep the phone in place, which is good. So what I bought is it's a little silicone mat for the phone charging location. Let me put the camera here. Hopefully it doesn't fell. Let's see. And here's the mat. It's pretty cool. It's silicone, it's rubbery. It will protect the weights of the charging station, and also it will let me install it, and it fits perfectly. It will hold the phone in place. It doesn't move much, and it fits really good. It charges. Here I can move it a bit here. It charges perfectly, and the mat is really cool. I'm going to leave it the information in the description so you can check it out. I think I paid $4. I need to check, but I will put the prices in the description. So let's move on. So this is the first one. The second one is the central central box, or whatever you want to call it. It has a little mat on the bottom, like every Tesla does. But I wanted to get the since here is so deep, it goes inside all the way. I wanted to get a box that goes underneath, and here's the box. I'm not sure if it's this guy or it's the other one. I have two. I don't know, probably it's this guy. Okay, here, it's this guy. So you just put inside here. Fits perfectly, goes all the way. And so let's see if, yeah, works perfectly. And even this one I paid very little, so I'm going to put information in the description for this accessory too. I found some screws in the back. I'm not sure what it's for. Anyway, then I bought one of these charger adapter. This is like a, you know, there's a 12 volts charging underneath the arm here, and there's some light. It's down here. Okay, you can see much. So you can insert here. Well, no, right now I'm kind of stuck, but you can insert in the cigarette plug, and this guy has a USB Type C and USB Type BOA adapter, so you can use both connection. I'm going to put it right here for now. Okay, then let's do the back box. So this one, another one that fits perfectly inside, so you can have double space down here, and you can have this one on top of it like this. And here, below here, there is the 12 volt cigarette plug, and that's it. So these are for now. Let me put the connection there. Then I got the one for, let me get this, for the armrest. Everybody has this guy. You put it in this. The armrest has a small space here that you can hide stuff, but you know, everybody knows that it's there. But anyway, so let me mount this guy. Let me see if the camera is okay, sorry, it's a bit complicated. Okay, space is not that much. Let me put it up a bit. Okay, so you can see my hand. Yes, okay. Now this guy is very simple. Has a sliding door. So you want to put it like this. With the sliding door, it goes down, so you don't lose stuff. And it has this guy has tape. You can remove tape and stuff. Okay, let me one. You know, it's always tricky to remove the tape. You don't want to remove everything. Okay. Two. Here is the other one. Today's in Florence is kind of warm. Finally, spring is here. And four. Come on. Okay, great. And you can stick it like this. Since this is hard plastic, so this guy will attach to the bottom of this. And here you have a sliding, another small space where to put stuff, you know, keys, whatever, wherever you need. Okay, let me put it down this guy. And now the last one that I have for this front console is the cup holder. Everybody gets a cup holder because the cup holder there that Tesla has is a bit larger than normal cups. And so everybody gets a cup holder. So this, I got this guy that has the two sides for the cups, and has a central small compartment. And let's see how it is. The company is Yonzi, and it's good for Model 3 and Y. all this stuff I will put description in the description of the links and the prices that I got for it. I got a discount, so it depends on when you purchase them, you get the discount or not. So anyway, you know how the deal is. So let's open the cup holder and remove the box. Okay, so doing things in one hand is not always easy. Okay, great. And that's it. So even this one is a silicone, so it's flexible, which is good. And here's the small central space. And this one has a hard little box. You can see, but the cover here is rubbery, so it's flexible, which is good. And inside here there is a small box that goes all the way, and this is the cup holder. So let's put it inside, and it fits perfectly. Put it this way, so that's good. I saw some other cup holders that have different shape, and they didn't have this little box in the middle. I was like, okay, let's check it out. This one, if it's not okay, maybe we'll get another one. But I think it's really good. I don't have a cup with me or a bottle, so I cannot test it. But you know, it's standard cup holder, and I like this little box. So you can put other things inside. Okay. What else? I have for the central console here, this compartment, I got the USB hub, if you will. So down here, if you check it out, I don't know if you can see, there are two USB Type-C connection. Now I don't remember if both they allow you to do data or it's just charging. If I remember correctly, the right one is data and the left one is charging, but don't quote on me, don't quote it. Of course this one too charges. So let's get the device. Let me put you back here, and this is the box. I think it's very common, everybody gets this one. It's called the small strip docking. Has a 2 Type-C connection. The first one is 27 watts, the second one is 7.5 watts, and then 2 Type-A USB connection plugs, and they're both 7.5 watts. So 27 watts is pretty good. So let me remove the plastic. Let's see if the color matches the console color. The box is pretty good. Here it shows where it goes. Many people have this hub. Okay, with the box, and this is the small console, the small hub. Sorry, I dropped something. What is it? Is some attachment? I guess it's for here. Let me check. What is the usual? Let's see if there is a picture or where usually they do. So they do Type-A on the left and Type-C on the right. Okay, let's do that. All right? Yeah, let's do that. So Type-A on this side. Yeah. So there are some information here. So these guys, I think my guess is to go here, but. And it slides like that, and that's it. I guess I don't need this. Well, I'll put it there if I need it. install it. That's it. So now I need just to connect here, you see, and I need to connect the wires inside here, and I'm going to, the good thing on this one has this 90-degree connection, so your wires don't just you know, fly around inside the box. I saw some they are a straight connection, and so you have the wires that are in a way when you get stuff. So down here, I'm not sure if you can see, I'll try my best. You just plug it. Okay, 1 and 2. They're not really flushed to the sides, but that's okay. We can check if they work. I brought with me a Type A to Type C connection. Let's see if my phone works. And yep, it charges. So Type A one works. Let's do the other one. Yeah, it works. Great. And then I have another wire that is Type C to Type C. Very long one. I got this one because I got a long wire Type C to Type C. You can support 100 watts. Because I have other accessories that require charging, and when you are inside the car, maybe you want to recharge these devices, and you want a long wire. So this is pretty long. So let me check the first Type C connection, and it works. And let's do the other one. And it works. Great. At least everything works fine. I'll leave the wire inside. Let me detach this guy. Okay, great. So everything worked perfectly. So let's recap. I got the little mat for the charging station, and the silicone mat. Then I got the small drawer for this compartment. I got the hub for the USB. I got the cup holders and the small compartment here. I got this box that you can open, you know, for putting other stuff, and this small compartment right here. Great. That's it. At least for now, and I'll do another video for the screen protector that I'm going to install next video. So please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to share more videos about the experience of driving a Tesla in Florence, Italy. And subscribe to the channel, of course. Please leave a like on the channel, and if you have any question, please leave down in the comments. If you have any requests or any questions about these products that I just got, and I also am going to leave the links to all these products in the description. So if you want to check it out, they are affiliate links, so I just get a small fee, and you don't get charged about anything. Also, I have the Tesla referral code, so if you buy Tesla or if you buy products from Tesla, you get points that you can redeem for products and stuff, and I do too. So if you want to do that, it will be great and support the channel. So let me stop here, and then next video I'll do the screen protector. Okay, ciao Tesla people, and I'll see you on next video. Bye bye.